Hello, this is the second part of the training for the admin regarding the school results. So as the admin, you can click on school results. We're going to focus on the generate results, the broadsheet, the check result, the transcript, and the result summary. So we click on generate results. Generate results is where the admin or the class teacher manages how the imputation of the results is being done, the number of subjects that are being done, that are being imputed by the teachers. So for an example, as the admin, I can see JSS2 is not yet ready. I can click on view. So once I click on view, it can show me the subclasses that are ready or that are not ready. I see 12 subjects out of 19 subjects in JSS2 is not ready, A and JSS2B, while in the JSS2C, they've already imputed 6 out of 19. So you can now click on view to see the 12 that they've imputed and the ones that are not ready. You can filter it and see those that are not ready. You can see those that are saved, and you can see those that are ready. But once you come back to your generate results, you can now, for those that are ready, you can see you can generate the results. Generate the results means the system should do the calculation so that you can know who came first, who came second, who came third, like a general broadsheet. So once you generate the result, you can check the result from the admin end. So you can check the result, and everything about the result should be ready with the comments that is being generated when we did our staff setting and school head setting. But if you come to the result summary is where you now manage the comments you want to manage per student. Let's assume that the comments have already been done, but you want to edit the comments. Under the result summary, for each student, you can see the comments and you can manually type in the comments. Remember, there will be automatic comments for your staff, there will be automatic comments for your students, and your behavior. This is where you now set your behavior. Excellence, your psychomotive. By default, everything is excellent, but let's change it from satisfactory to very good or any of the psychomotive, and you save. That means the psychomotive behavior will be saved for that child. Then for the comments, you just click on the comments. You can just clean it and type a new comment, and the new comments will be saved for that particular child. You click on the good, and the comment will be saved for that particular child, either for the staff or for the school head. Then for the number of times school opens, this is where you manage it, 200, 210 times, and you can impute for each student the number of times school open for each student. So once each teacher does this, the admin can see this, make sure that it's okay, then the results he can now go back to the generate results and now publish the results. Publishing the results is that you want the parents to see the results. So once you go to generate results, you have the ability of publishing your results and making your parents have the ability of viewing the results. Then the next thing that you have is you have the broadsheet. The broadsheet is where you manage the broadsheets of the school. You can manage your broadsheets. So to manage a broadsheet or to generate a broadsheet, you click on choose section. You choose the particular section you want to generate the broadsheet for, select the term, select the class you want the broadsheet for, and the subclass you want, and you click on get broadsheets, and the system generates the broadsheet for the class. Then for that broadsheet, you can print it in PDF, get it out in Excel, dependent on how the school wants to get it out. Then the next thing you have is the check results. Check results is where you can check the result of your children. So once the result is being generated, you can come in and you can click a particular child. You can just search for a particular child, select a particular class, select a term, you click on check result, and you can check the result of that student. Then for the class, you can check the results per class. Per class means I want to check a result for a particular class, select a particular class, click on check result, automatically to check the result for me for that particular class. So that's what happens in that particular class. So that's how you check the result for a class. Then the next thing you have is per subject. So you can check results per subject. That is according to a subject, how did they perform for a particular class. You can check results per subject. So once I check it, it shows you per subject how they performed per subject, per student. So you can check the results in that section. Then you have the transcripts. The transcript is now where you now have the ability to now generate a transcript for a student. So you select a particular student, click on generate transcript, it generates the transcript for the student of all the terms the students have been using the platform. So on the generate result, once the result is ready, once it's generated, every result is ready, your published result will be in green, and you can click on publish for a result to be published. This is where you set the time when the next term will begin on the result so that it will show. This is where you set a deadline, let the parents or let the students know, or the teachers know when the results should be ready to be published, and this is when next step will begin. So this is when you manage your school results. Thank you very much.